Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the Pay Later feature in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From All Apps, head to Point of Sale. Enter a new session. Start processing your order. And confirm. From your payment types, select Pay Later. Select your customer. If everything looks good, go ahead and pay. Now if you want to register the payment of your order, head to Invoices. Here, you will be able to find all your not paid orders. You can easily search by invoice number, customer's name or mobile number. Go ahead and register the payment. Select the payment method and confirm. Also, you can allocate the payment from the customer wallet. You have successfully managed to use the Pay Later feature in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.